You're not going to be able to find this information anywhere else. You can Google it, you can ask ChatGPT, they're going to have no fucking clue. And that's because what you're about to learn can only be learned through experience.
Hello, and welcome to Legal CPN. For years, you have heard about the foundational power of CPN products. You know they can instantly build new credit profiles. You have seen the success stories about credit cards, auto loans, credit cards, obtaining instant credit approvals, and vendor lines of credit. This is the established path of why people purchase CPN numbers. And it is fantastic. With 17 years of service, over 1 million clients, and $65 million in assisted client funding, this system is a powerful, proven foundation. But now, some of you, our professional users, our true business class subscribers, are asking a deeper question. What comes after the foundation? What comes after the credit cards, the auto loans, the instant credit cash approvals? Buying your dream car? And gaining the vendor line approvals? Today, we are not talking about using a CPN to obtain consumer credit, buying cars, or how to get cash approvals and credit cards. Today, we are focusing on how to leverage your established CPN to access a completely different level of funding. I am going to show you how to secure large-scale business loans and significant cash-out transactions by using real estate and your CPN. If you need a moment to let that sink in, go ahead. Because in this video, we are talking about the big money moves. We are talking about using your CPN legally to make the large, cash-out transactions that can truly change your life. This is the information they do not want you to have. First, let us be perfectly clear about what a CPN is already known for. Over our 17 years, we have maintained strong relationships with lenders, businesses, resellers, and automotive dealers. The results speak for themselves. We have a vast archive of testimonials on our website. Thousands of emails, statements, and videos from real clients showing their new cars, their credit cards, their high credit limits, and their approved loans. Getting a credit card, financing a vehicle, or securing online financing with a well-structured CPN profile is not just a possibility. It is a repeatable, expected outcome. Gaining these initial credit approvals is the entry point. It is the first step. I will go one step further. It is expected because everyone needs loan funding. Everyone needs new credit lines. Everyone has a reason for starting this journey. Now, consider this. You have likely heard of the business credit kingpins. The individuals who know all the insider tricks. The people who have mastered the moves to gain large loans and life-changing, cash-out financing. If you are at home thinking, yes, I know of these people, and I want to know how to be like them. Or if you are thinking, just tell me how this is done, so I can decide for myself. Then this instructional video is made specifically for you. If this is your mindset, if you are saying to yourself, I need more than a car. I need more than a $5,000 credit card. I know I can get store cards and have a great holiday season, but what I truly need is the capital, the information, to launch $1 million business. If that is your thinking, then you understand exactly why we created this video. We are moving beyond consumer credit. We are now entering the realm of high-level, asset-based financing. Okay, let us get started. The information I am about to share will show you how to use your CPN to generate large amounts of money in real estate. It is no secret. It is a documented fact. Real estate has created more millionaires than any other industry in human history. Why? Because real estate is the ultimate arena for creative financing. It is where the smartest players use strategic leverage to build empires with other people's money. If you are ready to become one of those players, then listen very closely. What you are about to hear is a proven, battle-tested system. A system we have used for decades to generate massive wealth. Do not just take our word for it. The evidence is undeniable. Look directly below this video on our website. You will find a full library of success stories. Real people, real deals, and real millions. We have documented our journey for years, showing you exactly how we do it. Point 1. We acquire properties with little to no personal capital or credit. Point 2. We secure deals through owner financing and land contracts, completely bypassing the traditional banks. Point 3. We generate immediate cash flow by transforming properties into high-yield assets. And point 4. We execute the ultimate exit strategy, selling for massive, life-changing, windfall profits. This is not a complicated theory. It is a straightforward, step-by-step process. Okay, let us now get started on buying real estate and making money using your CPN. Step number 1. The hunt. Your goldmine for making money with real estate is finding properties on for sale by owner websites. With a single internet search, you can uncover dozens of these sites. Using your CPN, you can browse from your home and find a property for sale anywhere in the world you desire. Step number 2. The vetting process. Contact the owner. Ask the right questions. Investigate thoroughly. You are not buying a dream. You are seeking to acquire a solid asset. We urge you to perform a full disclosure analysis. This ensures you never, ever get stuck with a lemon or a never-ending money pit. This step is all about protecting your future profit and sales potential. Step number 3. Unlocking seller financing. This is the absolute heart of the strategy. Your mission is to find the motivated seller who is willing to sell on a land contract or through owner financing. Most will require a down payment. This could be 10, 20, or 25%. This is your skin in the game. And here is why this method is pure genius. Advantage 1. Simple interest is far better than bank interest. You pay simple interest. You do not pay the bank's compound interest, which is mathematically designed to siphon 2 to 4 times the amount you originally borrowed. Let me give you a powerful example. Imagine walking into a bank. You tell them you want a $200,000 loan at 8% simple interest, and you will repay them $216,000. They would likely laugh you out of the building. They would say it is impossible. Why? Because with their compound interest, that same loan would cost you about $500,000 by your final payment. This is precisely why purchasing through land contracts or owner financing is the best decision you can make. The savings are astronomical. Advantage 2. Your purchase is invisible and protected. In 90% of cases, this financial note never appears on your personal credit report. You purchased the property in an LLC or a corporation, perhaps even one held in a trust for your children. By doing this, you achieve an unparalleled level of asset protection. Your investment is secured away from prying eyes. Advantage 3. The golden negotiation. When you are ready to sell, you hold all the power. Imagine this. You owe $100,000 on a property. You call the land contract holder. You say, "I have $80,000 in cash right now to buy out this contract." 90% of the time, unlike a rigid, impersonal bank, the seller will agree to take the deal. You have just purchased the property, created $20,000 in instant equity, and walked away with the title. It is that powerful. Step number 4. The $1 million rule. Get in, get out, and get paid. This is how you literally maximize your cash holdings and boost your bottom line. You secure the property. You control the equity. You control the rent. Now, you add simple, efficient technology. Wi-Fi door sensors, Wi-Fi motion detectors, and 1 or 2 ring security cameras. This allows you to monitor and protect your investment from anywhere. Next, you partner with a professional property manager. They handle the day-to-day operations. They ensure you have accurate profit and loss statements, clean rental records, and organized expense reports. This is vital for your taxes and for impressing the next buyer. Your final job is to market the property as a top-performing asset, a cash-flowing rock star. You now have 2 clear paths to wealth. 1. Consistent, long-term rental income. Or 2. A large, one-time, cash-out profit. Let me be blunt with you. This is not personal. It is not about the beautiful countertops. It is not about the ocean views. It is not about the dream of what the neighborhood could become. It is a simple, direct question. Do you want the small monthly rent? Or do you want the life-changing, lump sum profit? The kind of profit that allows you to walk into a BMW dealership, buy your dream car in cash, and then go secure 3 more properties? That is the only real question you need to ask and answer for yourself. Step number 5. How to use your CPN in this process. Here is the crucial key. When securing these properties, and I am intentionally saying securing, not purchasing, because it is the correct term, the true purchase happens later. It happens after you sell the property to a new buyer, pay off the original seller, and net the remaining balance for yourself. When using your CPN, the seller will almost always ask you to complete a credit application. They simply want to know who they are dealing with. In this situation, you say, "Yes, of course I will submit an application. However, I will be purchasing this property in my business name." On the credit application, you will write your CPN number. And in the notes section, you will write this exact statement. Quote, "In this purchase, I agree to place 20% down. I, the buyer, and the seller agree that I will use my business name and business credit profile to purchase this property. My business credit profile includes my LLC, my CPN, my EIN, and all associated elements. I, John Doe, will personally secure the loan and the rights and interests of this transaction." Unquote. It is absolutely critical that this language is included in your final contract, and that both you and the seller sign it. Remember this. Any legal issues that arise from a real estate transaction will be argued in a court of law. And those courts are bound by the language written in the contract. Therefore, the language you choose to protect your interests is your greatest responsibility and your most powerful protection. From our extensive experience, most sellers who offer owner financing are very happy to accept a 20 to 25% down payment. They understand the deal. If you do not pay, they get their property back and they keep your down payment. It is a secure arrangement for them. While a seller and a bank serve a similar function, we have found that a private seller is far more flexible. They earn less interest. And these property acquisitions can be handled with more discretion, keeping your assets private and protected. I have personally generated over $19 million in the last decade using this exact strategy. The system is proven. The path is clear. The only thing standing between you and your first massive real estate deal is a decision. The decision to stop watching and start doing. The decision to trust a system that has already created countless millionaires. This is your moment. This is your opportunity. Do not let this knowledge sit unused. Do not click away and return to your normal life. For some, the life you want can be found on this website, waiting for you to claim it. It's undeniable, it worked for me and many others. Use this knowledge. Share it. Or profit from it. Take the time today to visit a for sale by owner website. Take the time to see the properties you could secure as early as next week. Someone is selling right now and looking for a buyer. That buyer should be you. Use your CPN to secure your initial funding. If someone has given you the directions, if they have given you the GPS coordinates to your destination, then you have everything you need to begin the journey yourself. Get started now. And let us begin building your legacy together. Start building now. Any dollar or approval you earn from these instructions is a benefit. All of our CPN packages are sold with full customer support. And our team of licensed real estate brokers is available to help you with your questions. I will leave you with one final thought. When you see others online selling so-called business credit packages or promising magical $50,000 funding, you need to stop. And you need to ask them one simple question. Tell them to show you that they have received the $50,000 in business credit themselves. Tell them to show you that their primary trade lines have actually posted, and to give you the login details to see it. Tell them that if they want your business, they must prove they have done what they are telling you to do. Unlike many of those YouTubers and fraudulent pitchmen, as likable as they may seem, our history of success is transparent. It is right here on our website. Are we licensed brokers? Yes. Yes, we are. Have we earned our licenses with hundreds of real estate transactions across multiple states, United States territories, and different countries? Yes. Yes, we have. Take the time. Watch the videos on our site. We have nothing to hide. Our work is lawful, legitimate, and completely legal. If we asked you to name 2 other people or 2 other companies that have created more legal CPNs than us, or have a greater history of experience building working CPNs, we know you cannot answer that question. The truth is, nobody has more experience than legal CPN. In the world of real estate, creative financing, and making real money with virtually no money of your own, nobody can match our experience and knowledge or our proven results. If this knowledge has opened your eyes today, then you understand why we created this video. The gloves are off. The gatekeepers do not want this information public. They profit from your confusion. That is why we are launching a powerful new series of videos. Videos packed with advanced strategies and confidential methods they do not want you to see. Share this video with those who need it, or join our affiliate program. It takes just 3 simple steps. Grab your unique web link and profit by sharing the knowledge people truly need. These are difficult times. People do not just need side hustles. They need proven, powerful systems. Systems to not only make money, but to build lasting legacies and secure their futures. Your journey to total financial control starts right now. If you found value here, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching. More of the truth is coming soon. Welcome to Legal CPN, the inner circle. Like and subscribe now.
Like and subscribe. I say this in almost every video. I don't consider myself a coach or a guru. In most of my videos, I just try and tell you guys exactly what I'm doing and how I did it, and you do what you must with that information. It might help, it may not. That's just what I did, and that's just what I do.